Hey, thoughtful gardeners, this is my native columbine and it has set seeds. And what you want to do when this has happened is just grab a bag. Can you hear that? Give it a shake. These have thousands of seeds in them, so if you don't want them to seed, you definitely want to make sure that you cut these seed heads off. But this is a very valuable native plant. The columbine seeds are excellent for shady areas. This is the north side of my house, so this gets morning sun and then it's pretty much in the shade all afternoon. Can take dry, which is lovely. If you've got dry shade, it's one of my favorites, but it's a favorite of hummingbirds. And look at the foliage, it's really beautiful here. It probably gets a little hot, honestly. It planted itself right here by the edge of the driveway, but it was just stunningly gorgeous this year. But again, all you do, super easy, take the seed heads, put it down in the paper bag, and give it a shake. You can also cut these off and then turn them over into the bag. But this has been the best way I have found to gather the seeds up. You can see all of them on the bottom here. And then I'll have some for a seed swap that we'll do for my Wild Ones Garden Club this fall. Will be very, very popular because this is a really great native, one of the earliest blooming natives that we have that can be used in the garden.